It's Professor Maverick this evening. Professor of football and professor of criticism. Coming to the rescue of Reggae Boys and Coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore for their performance thus far in the CONCACAF Gold Cup. The team finished unbeaten for second place in the group behind defending champions Mexico, winning 1 and drawing 2, scoring 3 goals with 1 against and a +2 goal difference with an automatic spot into the quarterfinals. Remember now, this is a transitional, inexperienced team that played 4 or 5 games together going into the Gold Cup. So to be expecting more from this team in terms of results is straight naivety and football ignorance. To be expecting Barcelona and Real Madrid type performances from this core is downright stupid and crazy. Coach Tapper Whitmore has gotten his tactics and strategy perfectly right so far for this tournament by pragmatically approaching each game to successfully plot a way to the quarterfinals. The novices and neophytes who are arguing that they would actually prefer to see Jamaica play more attractive and open football and lose than to play the way we played and qualify for the quarterfinals. Those people belong in Ward 21 and Bellevue. You see, one of the things about most armchair and internet football fans is that they are so used to being wagonists and as such don't realize that they cannot be wagonists with the national team. When your team is in serious competition, you cannot be a neutral. And results are more important than performances. Say again after the Professor Maverick. Results are more important than performances. Say again. Results are more important than performances. Say it again. Results are more important than performances. Say it again. Results.